Happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. And today I want to bring to your attention 5 of the homes that just hit the market. First off, listed with Remax Action First of Florida, the listing agent is actually Taryn Cash, is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,352 square feet oceanfront property, Gulf front property, $999,000. Up in Palm Harbor, Coldwell Banker Realty is listing a 4-bed, 4.5 bath, 3,434 square foot property, also on Gulf Access with its own dock. The listing agent is Terry Tullung, $2,399,999. Closer to home, here in Clearwater, there is a beautiful 3-bed, 2.5 bath townhouse listed with GMC Resort Properties LLC. The listing agent is Maria Bradenberg, $2,499,000. Uh, right here in St. Pete Beach, we have a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,607 square foot property with its own private dock and actually an elevated dock with Gulf access, $1,850,000. And the listing agents are Keith and Tina Slater, and they're with Coastal Home Advisors Real Estate. Lastly, we have another Clearwater property with Solux Realty. The listing agent is Regina Sotomayor. 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,840 square feet, listed for $1,500,000. If these homes or any homes on the Gulf are of interest to you and your family, and you'd like some conversations about, meeting these individuals, I'm your guy. Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and you can reach me at 727-303-1521 or hit me up at all my social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.